individual chicken pot pies. Now let's talk about this chicken for a second. Now I've got a chicken in a pot with cold water, right? Some really great aromatics. It's been simmering for about like 45 minutes or so, and it smells rich and delicious. All right, and we're gonna take our chicken guy out. Isn't that great? Golden, beautiful. All right, now with this, when you make a chicken stock for this particular thing, we're gonna make a sauce. All right, it's gonna be held together with what's called a roux. I'm gonna take a stick of butter, I'm just gonna drop it in, and we'll let it melt. It's like 50-50 flour to butter. I'm gonna turn the temperature down just a little bit. All right, let the whole thing start to kind of thicken up slightly, and it's also gonna cook out some of the starchy, floury taste. Now, puff pastry is gonna be the top of our ultimate chicken pot pie. I got a nice little floured surface here. And I'm just gonna stretch it out on our floured surface here. All right, so if you take a look at this from corner to corner, okay, take a little knife here. I'm just gonna go around the edge, and I'm gonna cut a hole that's just a little wider than the lip of the crock. So we got this, that's gonna go on top of this, and this is gonna go on that, and you're starting to get the whole picture of how it's gonna lay out. Then we're gonna take our chicken stock, and this is gonna be really creamy and really luscious, and we're gonna simmer it away, and fill it with those great vegetables, lots of fresh herbs, and shred that delicious chicken and fold it in. All right, I've got my 2 carrots, and I'm just gonna take them and let the hot sauce actually poach the carrots. We're gonna add our frozen peas, and we're also gonna take some pearl onions, and we're gonna fold these in as well. It smells great. We're gonna slide the chicken right in straight off the plate. Then we're gonna add chopped parsley right on top, and then we're gonna season again with a little bit of salt. Now we're gonna assemble the chicken pot pies. Okay, so we got this. We're gonna take our ladle, just gonna scoop all this delicious, beautiful chicken stew into the bottom of the earthenware crock. Our puff pastry lid. All right, we're just gonna put it right on top. Now that's a really important step. You wanna make sure you actually press the puff pastry into the lid. If not, it might slide off when it bakes. All right, then we're gonna take our egg wash, okay, and then we're just gonna go right across the top, just like that. Then we're gonna take some of our good grated Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put it right on top, and that's it. All right, we're gonna finish these guys up, and they're gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. It was going back to the childhood. The ultimate chicken pot pie, ladies and gentlemen, hot out of the oven. And these things are absolutely beautiful. They're crunchy, a nice little Parmesan and puff pastry crust right on top. I'm gonna grab this guy right here. That looks delicious.